In 11b, stop and what do you notice about the coefficients before you do any of that decomposition stuff and finding those two numbers? 18, 33, and minus 30. That means we can factor out a 3. So we're left with, well, 3 goes into 18 6 times, so that's 6v squared. 3 and 33 goes into it 11 times, so that's 11b, 11v, and then 3 goes into minus 30 minus 10 times, so that's minus 10. Now we can factor using our decomposition method. So we need two numbers whose sum is 11 and its product is equal to 6 times minus 10, which is minus 60. Alright, so what are the two numbers? Well, we know that, I guess, 10 times 6 is 60, but it doesn't give us a sum of 11. But we know that 15 times 4 equals to 60, and when we put the negative sign on the 4, what happens? It equals minus 60, which is what we want here, and the sum is also 11, which is what we want. So the two numbers are therefore 15 and minus 4. Using this fact, we can now decompose the middle part, so 3 bracket 6v squared plus 15v minus 4v minus 10. Now group and then factor, so from the first two, we can factor out a 3v, and what happens? 3 goes into 6 2 times, and we factor the v from a v squared, so we're left with v. 3 goes into 15 5 times, and then there's a v, and we factor out a v, so we're left with just 5. Now here we can factor out a minus 2. We're left with 2v, and from here, minus 2 goes into minus 10 plus 5 times, so it's plus 5. And what do you notice? This, they're the same, which means we did all of this right. So factor out 2v plus 5, and we're left with 3v minus 2.